IVF ही खूप खर्चिक ट्रीटमेंट आहे. हो, ती खूप खर्चिक ट्रीटमेंट आहे. परंतु यावर आम्ही एक सोल्युशन काढलं आहे, ते म्हणजे इकॉनॉमी IVF.
So, ma'am, what fertility services are you going to offer here?
So, like our Yola Center, here also we are going to offer all kind of fertility services, right from basic ovulation induction to IVF services. In IVF also, we are going to provide very advanced facilities here. Going to offer basic fertility services like ovulation induction, IUI. Then in IVF, we are going to offer IVF, ICSI, PICSI, blastocyst culture, laser assisted hatching, and for patients with recurrent implantation failure, advanced services like PGTA, then ERA, and many more advanced facilities we are coming up with here.
So, ma'am, you said IVF treatment. See, many women want a baby, but everyone can't afford IVF treatment. काफ़ी एक्सपेंसिव हो जाता है कुछ लेडीज़ के लिए. So, for them, do you have some solutions for them?
Exactly. कैसे था, till last year we were doing routine IVF and we were using recombinant. Those are very expensive injections to everyone. तो वो कॉस्ट काफ़ी बढ़ जाता है. तो हमारे बहुत सारे पेशेंट्स से फाइल जम गए थे. दोज wanted treatment but they didn't have that amount, that funds with them. So हमने क्या किया कि एक ट्रायल लिया. Rather than using recombinant injections which are very expensive and imported, we used Indian injections which are quite cheaper. And last January we did 50 patients using these Indian injections which are less expensive, and from that 50 patients 39 conceived.
Great.
So if you choose patient correctly, see, it is not for everyone. We call this as economy IVF, wherein we give IVF treatment at very low cost. We don't compromise on quality of services, the things we do inside IVF lab. We compromise on injections that we give to stimulate your ovary. So, and in this also we choose our patient very wisely. Those couples wherein female is younger, she has good ovarian reserve, her tubes are blocked, it means that ovaries are good but because of blocked tube she is not getting pregnant. Or couple wherein the problem is with semen, that male partner is having fertility issue. In that cases we can go for little cheaper injections, and there are many other protocols like PPOS, progesterone primed ovarian stimulation, wherein we can cut down on injection doses and injection cost, and we can offer IVF services at very low cost. We call this as economy IVF, and since last 1 year we are doing it for selected patients and we are getting good results. So even if you don't have funds for IVF treatment, we do offer fertility services at cheaper rates.
So that's a great news for women who can't afford IVF treatment. Panacea is offering economic IVF wherein they are going to provide IVF treatment at a very low cost.
बरेचसे पेशंट IVF सुरू करताना विचारतात IVFचा कॉस्ट किती, IVF खूप खर्चिक आहे, आणि खूप सारे पेशंट आमच्यापर्यंत येतही नाहीत कन्सिडरिंग इट्स कॉस्ट. IVF ही खूप खर्चिक ट्रीटमेंट आहे. हो, ती खूप खर्चिक ट्रीटमेंट आहे. परंतु यावर आम्ही एक सोल्युशन काढलं आहे, ते म्हणजे इकॉनॉमी IVF, जिथे आम्ही कम्पेअर टू रुटीन IVF बऱ्याच कमी खर्चात IVF सर्व्हिसेस पेशंटला प्रोव्हाइड करणार आहोत, विदाउट कॉम्प्रोमाइजिंग ऑन क्वालिटी ऑफ सर्व्हिसेस दॅट वी प्रोव्हाइड.